Hello, and welcome to my next Executive Series video. Our topic today is Design and Construction Features, Part 1. Aaron Snyder here from Quality Systems Explained, where we make quality systems simple for you. If you're new, make sure you subscribe. Check out the status bar below for our agenda, and stick around to the end for those bonus questions. Our topic, Design and Construction Features, comes directly from 211.42. Design and construction features in 5 words. Building layout prevents mix-ups, contamination. Any facility or buildings used to manufacture a drug product must be of adequate size, layout, materials of construction, or location to facilitate maintenance, cleaning, and operations. All areas from product receipt, processing, packing, holding, laboratory, release, and then storage must be of adequate size and have the right level of controls to prevent contamination and mix-ups. Any manufacturing facility that manufactures penicillin must be in separate buildings than those that manufacture other drug products for human use. They must be in completely separate buildings. There are additional requirements here for aseptic processing, which I will cover in the next video. So how do I know this is working? Well, first, buildings and facilities are constructed in a manner that facilitates cleaning, maintenance, and orderly operations. Second, drug manufacturing facilities have enough size and control to ensure that the product is not contaminated or mixed up during normal operations. Third, facilities prevent contamination and mix-ups throughout product realization. And then finally, manufacturing facilities for penicillin are completely separate than those for other drug products for human use. Well, how do I know it's not working? Well, first, I have multiple deviations and events for contamination which can be linked back to my building and my facilities. Second, I have multiple mix-ups that can be linked directly back to cramped working conditions, product being stored too close to each other. And then third, penicillin manufacturing is done within the same building or facility as manufacturing of other human drug products. And then finally, manufacturing operations where the product crosses during the manufacturing process. And now for the 3 bonus questions. How do we ensure that our building is constructed to facilitate cleaning, maintenance, and orderly operations? Second, have we had any OOSs or deviations within the last year for contamination which can be directly linked back to the building or the facility? And then finally, have we had any product mix-ups within the last year? If yes, I'd like to see the investigations. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, share, and comment. Send any questions to me at qms.jedi@gmail.com. This is Aaron Snyder from Quality Systems Explained, making quality systems simple for you.